Hey, I'm Nikki, and I'm going to show you how to use text in Procreate. To start adding text, open the Actions menu. Under Add, click Add Text. A text box will appear on your canvas with the word text in it. Tap into the box to bring up the keyboard and start typing your desired text. Double tap the text to bring up the Style menu. Here you can pick a preloaded font, change the size of the text, and explore some other design options. Once your text is in place, you can move and transform it just like any other layer. Use the Transform tool, the arrow in the top menu, to move, scale, or rotate your text. Now, if you'd like to add a new font to Procreate, follow these steps. First, you need to download the font onto your iPad. This can usually be done in Safari or Chrome. I like to use Google Fonts. Open Chrome and go to this website, fonts.google.com. Find a font you like and download it. It might be downloaded as a zip file, and you have to open these in full before adding them to Procreate. So open the zip file and let it download. Once you have the fonts unzipped, go back to Procreate and import the text. Fonts are typically downloaded in a .ttf or a .otf file format. Tap on Import at the top of this menu. Find the font that you've downloaded and tap on it to install in Procreate. The font should now be available in the fonts list in Procreate. Something important to note is that text in Procreate can either be a vector or a raster layer. In the Layers panel, you can identify vector text by the A visible in the text layer thumbnail. To rasterize your text, tap the text layer in the Layers panel and then tap Rasterize. Once you rasterize your text, you can no longer edit it, so make sure that it's in its final form before you rasterize and apply effects to it. Vector text can resize up and down without any loss of quality. Using vector text, you can type in new content or edit your text. You can change the font, style, spacing, and alignment, and you can add effects like underlining and outlining. Rasterizing turns text into pixel data that you can paint, distort, merge, and more. In order to use certain Procreate tools, you must rasterize your text. Using raster text, you can use any of the Procreate functions on it, including selections, transformations, adjustments, and merging. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Procreate tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.